Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Windows Update error 0x800703ee, then let's look at the following solutions. So the first one would be is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, look down towards troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and click on the run button that runs corresponding to Windows Update panel. If that doesn't resolve the issue, then we will restart or start the Windows services. We will look for services, click to open. We will look for the Windows Update service. Here you go, there you find Windows Update. Right click and click on restart or start. Now we look for the background intelligent transfer service. Here you go, background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and click on start or restart. Right. Finally, we look for the cryptographic services. Right click and click on restart or start. Click on yes and this should solve the error message. If this doesn't work, then we have to clean up the cat root files. So we will look for disk cleanup, click OK, and we'll click on clean up system files. So this will clean up the system config and the cat root 2 files. You can see Windows Update cleanup here. Click OK, delete files, and once this is done, this should solve the problem. Now, very rarely, if these three steps cannot solve the problem, which is very rare, then we need to manually download the Windows catalog, Windows Update catalog. So we will look for Windows Update catalog. Click on it. We'll find this link, catalog Microsoft. Click on it. And here on the top right hand bar, we enter the current month and the current year. So this is August of 24. I'll search. Now we have to look for the cumulative update. So this is the cumulative update for the month of August 2024. This is what I said when I talked about cumulative updates. So we need to click on this MSU link and this will download. Once this downloads, open the file to install the update. This should definitely resolve the error message. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.